organized guided tour with lots of historical information and details, and of course tons of great photos. Highly recommend this guided tour for your Athens adventure. Anna was an excellent guide, both highly professional and genuinely funny. She took great care of the group throughout the experience, ensuring everyone felt comfortable, engaged, and well looked after. Her positive energy and attention to detail made the visit both smooth and enjoyable. We took the Acropolis tour with museum, which was an amazing afternoon with Dionysus, our guide. He was very knowledgeable, and even though we were well versed with Greek mythology, we learned a few new facts and stories that really made Athens come to life. Fully recommend the Acropolis Museum option as well, which covered the Parthenon friezes. Our Acropolis tour with tickets included was great. Our guide Dionysos was knowledgeable and entertaining. 10/10 would choose this tour again. Steep climbs, but we were not rushed. Our guide was very knowledgeable about Greek history and answered all our questions. Day trip to Acropolis and Museum. Fair price for everything included, as Acropolis entry fee and museum are added. Plus cost of guide. John the archaeologist was fantastic. Great English and was enthusiastic on the subject matter. Our guide was extremely knowledgeable with higher degrees in archaeology and a strong interest in excavation. The stories were interesting, she gave us lots of local tips, and the entire tour was extremely professional. The headphones helped immensely in hearing the guide. We did the full tour of both the Acropolis Hill and the museum and did not regret the extra expense. Great way to spend a couple of hours. We lucked out with little in the way of crowds, and our guide was excellent. The tour moved at the perfect pace, and he had plenty of interesting and humorous tidbits. Great tour. Our tour guide was very knowledgeable and made it real fun even though it was a rainy day. We did the 4 hours museum plus Acropolis tour. I'm glad we included the museum in the visit for our large group, 9 people. The guide added a lot of value and context for us. Really interesting tour, learned a lot from our wonderful tour guide Dorina. Highly recommend to anyone interested in ancient Greece. Very knowledgeable, fun and engaging guide. Learned lots and got to experience some of the most fantastic sights I've ever seen. Very impressive tour. If you go to Athens, don't miss Acropolis. This tour quite expensive, but finally it's worth the cost. The meeting point is near Acropolis, easy to find. The guide, Aphrodite Gianni, is knowledgeable. She guided how to walk around Acropolis, not so tired. Everything is interesting. After Acropolis's walk tour, we went to museum. And also she described the history of Greek without boring.